the Fennec guy. But yeah, Divine Fennec used to like undergo voice training, so their voice sounds like really cool now. But then they stopped doing that. But like their voice still has like all the voice training stuff in it. And I'm just like, why do you sound so cool like all the time? But yeah, of the musicals that I used to know as a kid, um, Dance of the Vampires was also like one of those that I would sing constantly. With Total Eclipse of the Heart being one that I still know to this day, probably. Voice training seems interesting. I know for myself, I would fumble my words way too much. There's one song from that musical actually that I used to use as German training essentially, because there's a professor who just like he just goes right. He just like um he just starts like listing a lot of like really complex and long words, and this is how I would like practice my German in school in trying to like replicate the exact lyrics that he's singing. Um, I'm trying to remember how the song starts. Hold on. Let me shut down the music real quick. Wenn in mir der Verdacht erwacht, es wird mir was verschwiegen, versuche ich mit aller Macht die Wahrheit rauszukriegen. Hold on, I can't roll my R's like Germans can. In Schon in der Wiege fing ich an, mein Spielzeug aufzubiegen. Im ungestümen Wissensdrang zerlegte ich sogar die Kuckucksuhr. Ob Osterhase, ob Nikolaus, ich ließ mich nicht betrügen. In der Schule fand ich schnell heraus, dass alle Lehrer lügen. Keine Antwort, die sie gaben, konnte jemals mehr begnügen. Habe ich Bücher rumgegraben und studierte dann die Rätsel der Natur. Mein Verstand ist unbestechlich, ich studiere das Positive. Ich bin niemals oberflächlich, ich sehe immer in die Tiefe, denn ich sammle die Beweise und bewerte die Motive. Ja, ich gehe mit den Beweisen und schwarte schon wieder die Tour. I can't do it anymore. I'm sorry. But like the way that his like entire song just like devolves into him just like speaking really fast. Hey, Germans in chat, how accurate was that to like any actual like German sounding noises? A Bailey and a tab that sounded really good. You're not German. Actually, 9 out of 10. Did someone clip Junie doing that? Do you guys wanna hear like the actual version of like what the actual singer is doing? I think I still have it on my computer somewhere. On. I wouldn't know where to find it on I wouldn't know where to find it on YouTube, but I do believe I had it on my computer. Hold on. Let's see here. Music. Oh, I do have it. Hold on. Hold on. Where is it? The problem is all those songs are messed up. All these songs have like track 1, track 2, track 3, track 11, track 205, track 206. And I know that there is not track 200 in this playlist. I believe it was like was it like 104 or was it 105? Hold on, I'm just gonna play like noise. Yeah, let me turn off desktop sound so that you guys can't hear it. No, don't. Shut up. Okay, this is way too loud. Amazing. Okay. Okay, this is not the one. Let's see this one. Okay, that is not the one either. How about this one? Nope. That's not the one either. I found it. I found it. I found it. Okay, okay, okay. It's this right here.
Wenn in mir der Verdacht erwacht, es wird mir was verschwiegen,
I found it.
versuche ich mit aller Macht die Wahrheit rauszukriegen. Schon in der Wiege fing ich an, mein Spielzeug aufzubiegen. Im ungestümen Wissensdrang zerlegte ich sogar die Kuckucksuhr. Ob Osterhas, ob Nikolaus, ich ließ mich nicht betrügen. In der Schule fand ich schnell heraus, dass alle Lehrer lügen. Keine Antwort, die sie gaben, konnte jemals mir genügen. Denn in Büchern eingegraben studierte ich die Rätsel der Natur.
He pronounces it so much better.
Ich glaub